earlier this year, my storage unit was broken into and I lost a whole bunch of stuff. One of the things that was in there was a brand new propane tank that was full. So, I haven't replaced it yet because I haven't had a need to, but with the weather getting colder, I want to be able to have a propane tank to fuel my propane heater when I go winter camping. Today I'm going to do some driving for Uber to make enough money to replace the tank. An empty tank is about $50, plus you got tax, say $55. There's a place that will refill 20-pound tanks for $15 on Tuesdays only. So that's $70, and then I'm going to put gas in my tank. I'm guessing around another $20. So all in, I need about $90. I probably won't do that today. I don't have a lot of time, but over the next couple days, I'll do a little bit of driving for Uber and make enough money to buy a propane tank. All right, I got a full tank of gas. I'm on my way to my first pickup. One ride down, $10.71, and I'm on my way to my next pickup, which looks to be a hospital pickup, which is generally not ideal because it's either someone getting off of work and I have to wait, or it's a patient and they tend to take a while to get outside. At least it's not a Walmart pickup. All right, 2 rides down, $19.94. Not a hospital pickup, which is a good thing. And I'm on my way to my third. All right, 3 rides down, $25.57, and I'm on my way to number 4. About 5 rides down, $37.18, and I need to stop to use the restroom. So, break time. All right, I'm gonna turn my app back on and start making my way home. I'm pretty far away right now. I have about an hour of light left, and I don't like Ubering in the dark because a lot of people have poorly lit addresses and they're hard to find. So, Alright, I am home. I only got 5 rides in today for a total of $50.66. Sun is setting. It's going to be getting dark here pretty soon. Like I said, I don't really feel like driving in the dark. But today is Saturday. The propane, the place that fills propane, they do it for a cheap price on Tuesdays only. So I still have Sunday and Monday and Tuesday if I need to make up the rest of the money. So I need about, what, another 40 bucks? That should be good. Should be easy. Alright, it is now Monday. I did not do any driving on Sunday, but I just checked the Uber app and there's some surge pricing going on. So it's my chance to make a little bit extra money. I got to make another 50 bucks or so. Hopefully this should be easy. It's later in the day. It's about 2:30. Wanted to get started earlier, but oh well. I am on my way to my first pickup, which is 11 minutes away from the search area I was just in, which is weird. All right, one ride down, $8.14, and I'm on to pickup number 2. Two rides down for a total of $15.96. I only need like 40 bucks today. Three rides down, $20.49, which puts me halfway there. Ugh. Four rides down, $34.63. We are almost there. Jesus. So we are at a total of $40.92 for the day, which combined with yesterday brings us to $94.38. The math between yesterday and today doesn't quite add up, but that is because I had some tips come in yesterday after I stopped driving. But I hit my goal. Got enough to buy a propane tank, fill it, and refill my gas tank. So we're gonna go get a propane tank. Yeah, so after I met my goal of $40 today, I decided I was gonna keep driving. Just for myself, for some extra, money. I'm like, I'll do one, maybe two more rides. Well, I got a ride, and the thing about Uber is it doesn't tell you where they're going. So I go to pick the guy up, tell Uber that he's in my car, and it says, okay, now head to Gary, Indiana. The pickup was in Loves Park, Illinois. That's 2 hours if there's no traffic through Chicago. And yeah, there's traffic in Chicago. There was a car accident that delayed us about 45 minutes. So I ended up making $120 for that ride, which would be nice. Hi. $120 for 2.5 hours of work. $245, whatever it was. Really not bad, even after gas. Except for I'm now high. Except for now I'm 2 hours from home if there's no traffic. And, I mean, I guess I could keep driving, but after it's been a long day and I don't know the area and I still need to drive 2 hours home. Because what are the chances that someone wants to go from Gary, Indiana back to Rockford? Not good. So yeah, I ended up being gone about 4.5 hours, 4:45, something like that, which makes it not worth it. So I think I'm going to switch to food delivery because that should be local. I highly doubt anyone's going to want to have food delivered 2 hours away, if it's even possible. All right, today's the day. Gonna go buy a propane tank and fill it. Can't believe I'm this excited about a propane tank. I guess it's really not about the propane. It's about, yeah, it's really not about the propane. It's about being able to camp in the winter comfortably. I'm home with a full propane tank, and I'm going to hook this up and make sure it still works to the... All right. There we go. All right, it's glowing red, which means it works, and I'm ready to go winter camping. Shut that off.